ain't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go.
What we're doing to pitch for 6529 name project.
I wanted to play around with the logo of 6529 in 360. So we decided to actually use the logo and to integrate it with an anonymous subject, which is Eric. We're doing many different shots with different lighting, so we can do an animation using all the 360 videos.
Yeah, it's going to be a composite of 5 shots. So 3 logos and 2 shots with continuous lights. I did some tests. This is our first low resolution experiment that we did a few days ago. And today is the real shoot. And normally Q is the model and I do the light painting, but we're switching roles.
So yeah, but we wanted like the anonymity of Eric's body. And also, like, we cannot really recognize him. We have a fixture that also reflects the light and the logo.
And the end result is going to be a perfect loop MP4 file. So what we just heard is all the files came in and everything is fully calibrated. It took a while because it was 5 shots times 176 cameras in RAW. So that's a total of X gigabyte.
Shall we see it's a shot?
Yeah, there was a practice shot that we can have it.
Okay, so obviously there's a challenge for me to have a very steady and, to be very constant in the speed and the movement itself. So the logo is actually a square and not like wobbly. So it's not too bad actually, but I think we can do that. And maybe you'll want to add some smoke to that. This is a technique we've been working on for the past 10 years. But as you can guess, there's still so much to explore with it. This is our playground during the cold winter days in Montreal.
We've been surfing on the GM Wagme wagon for 18 months, but this is our first project totally in line with the Web3 culture. Trying to mix the memes, the tech, the spirit, the future, the mystery, but mostly just the joy of making long exposure art in our studio using 176 cameras.
But what's happening today? We're going to try to do one set of 5 long exposures in full 360 degrees using our 176 cameras. The goal is to blend these 5 individual shots to create a 7-second glitchy perfect loop. Eric has to stay still the whole time, even between the shots. Otherwise, this is not going to work at all. All shots needs to align perfectly on top of each other to blend seamlessly.
It's getting warm in here, and I'm trying to get used to this temporary new role. I think a lot, maybe too much. Okay, quiet. Shot number 1, stay still. Kim is painting the 6529 artwork, and she has to be very precise with her timing. Two.
Pour le prochain mini gaz, juste un mini sploosh. Ok. Ok, black spot.
3. Okay, now Kim has to leave, but I stay still for 2 additional shots with the lights on. Christian is turning off the circular lights and we'll do a last one with only the top light panel. This is going to be our base plate for the final piece. And we're done. Everything worked as planned. All 885s are good. This is the final edit.